Hi guys, so I was just sitting here just now doing a little reflection, and a thought actually crossed my mind that I'd love to share with you guys. Please ignore the goats in the background, they're not mine. If them continue to annoy me, I will surely kidnap one of them and curry them down tonight. So it's basically along the lines of realizing how blessed I am. Like, do you know how blessed you are? Do you know how blessed you are to, number one, have life? Right? You know how blessed you are to be above the ground today. I mean, come on. Looking back, I'm sure your old self will be proud of who you are today, to know how far you've come, and basically on the journey of living the life you've always wanted to live. And it may not be as easy as it seems, especially on social media, but please guys, continue to count your blessings and not your problems. Take them to the Lord in prayer, because one thing I know about my God, when I come to him with my problems, he's going to provide the solutions. I don't have